Today we'll talk about how can you select font size on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. So you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So when you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just click on settings here, just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then here you will find here font size. And here can you select your font size here. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.